How to use coupons on Temu. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and then get logged into your Temu account. Now first, in order to use your coupon code in your Temu account, first of all, make sure that you copy your coupon code and also make sure that it's valid. Select any product that you would like to buy. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this one. Here, tap on Buy Now. You can select the color and tap on Buy Now. Now, once you're on this checkout page, first of all, you have to add your payment method. And once you do all that, you will see the option of Apply Coupon Code. Just tap onto it. And here, paste the coupon that you copied. Once done, tap on Apply. And if your coupon is valid, you will be successfully able to redeem it. And lastly, you have to tap on Submit Order. And just like so, this is how you will be able to redeem and use coupon code and also get discounts based on your coupon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.